The GEM Lightbox Eclipse is a specially designed add-on for the GEM Lightbox turntable to achieve black background images and videos. To set up the GEM Lightbox Eclipse, simply remove the original turntable cover and place the Eclipse on top of the GEM Lightbox turntable. Using the finger sockets on the side, lift the black lid up. Then rotate the Eclipse turntable cover until it magnetically locks in place. Tap to focus, brighten up, and click to capture.